So this is an example of how to use the $ to anchor cell coordinates. So I have a number 10 up here, which will make believe is the sales tax rate or some kind of constant. We want every column, B and C, to multiply the contents in either cell B3 or C3 by the cell content of A1. So I wrote the formula. B3 times A1 equals 20, so that's correct. Now if I copy it, and then paste it in cell C4, you can see it's 0. And if we look at the cell values, C3 is correct, but it's multiplied by B1, and we want it to be multiplied by A1. The reason it's multiplied by B1, when we copy a formula, we're moving it over one column, keeping the same row. So we're going to move both the B letter and the A letter over one column. So this will change to C3 and B1 because we copied it over one column. If we want to always refer to cell A1, we can put a $ in front of the letter A. That's saying when we copy it over, always keep it in cell A1. So now if I copy the formula and then paste it in cell C4, you can see now it is C3, so the B3 cell moved to C3 as we copied over, but it kept the column A because we had the anchor in front of it. And you can also put an anchor in front of the row number, but in this case it didn't matter because we kept the row the same. So that's sort of how anchors work. The $ being the anchor, it stops the relative movement of the cell coordinates based on the number of columns or rows that the formula is copied and pasted.